We got the Marriott Resort in Fort Lauderdale. I put the name on it. It's the timeshare. Marriott Vacation Club, BeachPlace Towers in Fort Lauderdale. It's room 525. So when you first come into the door, to the right on this one, you have a bathroom and shower. It has the sink. Then it has the shower. Of course, it has the soaps and shampoos. Then it has toilet. This one also, we'll go on that one last. You have a lock-in. I have a lock-in one with this one. So it's I got it as a 2-bedroom, but it's really 2 1-bedrooms, 1 studio, and 1 full 1-bedroom. So here you come to your left and you have the kitchen. You got a full stove, microwave. You have your teas and coffee maker. You also have your butcher block. You have toaster, all your amenities for cooking. In the cabinets you have your dishes. They have full sets of 4. No, actually they have 6. So they have sets of 6 in your 1-bedroom. You have plasticware, bowl for your salad. Nothing is over the microwave. Let's check in here. Do you have glasses and cups and wine glasses? Have all of your utensils as well. Then you have your cookware down the bottom. Same here. Utensils. Then you have dishware. You have a blender in case you want to make some daiquiris or smoothies. And then dish towels. That's pretty much all I see in the drawers. Up under the kitchen sink, you have extra bags, things to wash your dishes with. And you have a full dishwasher. And then you don't have a side-by-side fridge, but you have a nice size regular fridge. It's pretty big, especially for a 1-bedroom. So it's a refrigerator at the top, freezer at the bottom, and it does come with an ice maker, so you can turn that on and use that. All right, let's go forward. Here to the right, we have your 1-bedroom. The bedroom does come with a full-size jetted tub, and a sink is also in this area. And you have your under cabinet if you want to store things there. Have your multiple towels. Hello, on my cell phone today. Then you have a king size bed. I almost look like a queen to me, but I think it's a king. Yeah, it's a king. King size bed. You have on your nightstand, you have a clock, and you have a USB port and 2 plugs. Oh, I had my finger in the way, sorry. USB port and 2 plugs. Have a large TV, look maybe about a 50 or 60 inch. Then you have a closet. You have the towels and stuff, the linen for the couch. You do have a safe in your room, lots of hangers. You have the thing to put your luggage on, luggage rack. Put your luggage on if you don't want to put that on the ground. And then with this room, it is actually an ocean view. So you have a wonderful view of the ocean. Have a table and chair set out on the balcony. You do have a door. You have a lock and beep so they know it's open. But you do have a a chair set for two out on the balcony. You have an entrance from your bedroom as well as from the living quarters. This is the resort pool that you can see from the balcony, and then the lovely view of the ocean and all the way down the strip of the beach. So that's the one bedroom, and this is the full one bedroom. Let's take a look in the living room, show you that. You have a full-size kitchen table set, seat 6. You have your TV. I don't want to show TV because it has my name on it. So I don't want to show that. But it's about the size of the same one that was in the bedroom. Have a full couch that lets out into a bed, 2 chairs, and some lamps. You also have the same here because this is considered a bed. So you also have the outlets and the USB ports there. And for the sink, you have 6 bar stools so you can sit there if you have additional people. And in this closet here, this, I don't think I showed this, but this should be your washer and dryer utility closet. Yep, you have a stackable washer and dryer basket. They give you stuff to shampoo with. You also have your stuff to clean up with, as well as an ironing board. And of course, for safety, you have your fire extinguisher. So that is it for the one bedroom. I have a guest with me, and so I got the 2 bedroom, and they gave us a 2 bedroom lock off. So let's take a look at the lock off. They have you the doors where you can join indoors, but they have their own separate entrance. And then here you have again a king bed, a couch which is lets out. You have a little table in here. You also have a TV that has my name on it, so I don't want to show that. But yeah, you have that. Also, this room has its own balcony as well, with a table and 2 chairs as well. And then let's see what they have back here in the back. It's more, this one is more like a hotel room with a little kitchenette. Again, you have your own safe. You have ironing board iron, and then you have the linen for the couch. You do have a full-size mirror on the door. So if you need that to get dressed, that's the entrance to this one. And then here's your little kitchenette area. Has the same thing as far as you have a refrigerator in here, with the fridge and refrigerator. It's small, but it served a purpose. If you have something for it, you got a sink, you just don't have anything to cook with. But that's the purpose of a lock off. They're just locked together, but you have your own separate area. You also have the plates and cups and all of that stuff as well. And then you have a drawer here with your forks and spoons and things along those lines. Get your coffee maker and your toaster as well. You don't have anything a cooktop to cook on, but this is probably an induction type microwave. Oh no, it appears to be a regular microwave, but anywho, and a small sink. And the bathroom on this one here is just standard size bathroom with one sink. And then this one doesn't have a stand-up shower. It just has a tub, a shower combo. And the one bedroom only has a shower. So that is it for the tour of the one bedroom lock off and the one bedroom. So hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Come out in the morning in the pool area. We've set up all the chairs. and the umbrellas on the pool, on the beach. It's owned by the city as far as it's a local beach. The chairs, you get 2 chairs with your room. Well, I think it's 2 chairs per person. Whatever the room allows, you get a chair per person. So we got 6 chairs, so we got to block off. And then they rent the umbrellas that you can put out there. You see the chairs are sitting. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Right through there is chairs. And you can rent umbrellas for $30 a day. But you can go down to CVS and some shops. You can actually buy an umbrella for $14 and keep it in your room and just toss it when you leave. So that's my tip. If you want an umbrella on the beach and a front row seat with the chairs so that you don't have to sit in the 2 back rows when you rent an umbrella. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.